In this video I am covering the installation of a gear indicator for my Yamaha R1 2008 model. The 2008 R1 is practically the same with the 2007. The Yamaha code name for this motorbike is RN19. I bought this unit from eBay Germany. It has very nice build quality and it is inexpensive. It connects serially via 2 plugs in the gearbox gear sensor. It also requires power, hence the 2 additional wires.
So, on today's video, we're going to install this gear indicator to my Yamaha R1 2008 model. This is my road bike here. So we're going to get going. I'm going to install this here, and we have to remove the tank and a few other things, so as we can connect the wiring to the gear sensor. And I see here also there is electricity that we need to connect. So let's start. Before we connect it all, let's make a plan on how we're going to route it, the cabling to the dashboard. Make it nice and clean. So what I'm going to do is I will remove this fairing part here and here, and I'm going to route it in a similar way with the cabling of the dashboard. So this is going to be, I think, a good solution. There's another clip here behind me, behind this. So the fairing is out, I can place it just like that, very simple. So this is the cabling, and I'm going to route it from here in a similar way, so see it's nice and clean. I'm pretty sure I know that the plug is this one. So pretty sure about that. So I'm going to remove it. Hasn't been opened in a little while, so it's a bit tricky to release it, but we will do it. So it plugs into the gear position sensor from the gearbox. So this is the logic of all this. Yes, that's the one. Okay. So what you do now is basically you put it in line, so like that, and then the other one like that here. So this is good now. Okay, very good. Our next challenge is going to be to find some switching power, meaning when you switch on the ignition, then you have power, not before that. Because if you don't do this, then this may be indicating all the time, which is not a great solution. So we'll get to that. Most probably we're going to use the fuel pump power here from this one. So this could be a good solution. So we were saying, where are we going to connect the power of the indicator, and I changed my mind here, and I'm going to connect it to the rear lights. So I'm going to remove here this unit. This is the ECU here. Let's disconnect it. This is the stock ECU, and quite soon we're going to have a video of switching this to the Yamaha Racing ECU. Let's see what we have here. Okay, definitely we have to remove the tail cover. Wow. These connections are not great here from the rear lights. So we might as well take the opportunity and fix this too. Pretty sure these are the indicator lights. We can test it actually. Let's disconnect this one. We need the key. Let's see if this is indicating. No? It's indicating. I think it's the, yes, it's the license plate light. We can connect it here. This is good, and we can fix this connection as well. It is not okay like that.
are going to see now is that the gear indicator has power, so when I switch it on, it comes down and it's ready to be programmed now. So we can continue with reinstalling the tank.